Hi, I'm Holly from thisislanguage.com. In this video, we're going to look at how to add a class of students. You can use this method to add new students to the site or to add existing students to a new class. If you're adding new students to the site, the only information you need is the students' names. The site will generate login codes for your students, and they will then be able to create their own usernames and passwords. So, to start with, go to Your Classes and click Add a Class. Fill in the name of the class and select the language. Note that you won't be able to change the language later, so choose carefully. Then, select the year group and the teacher for this class. Click Create Class. The next step is to add the students to this class. Enter their first names and last names into the boxes on this page. Or, click Copy Paste Students. Type the students' names into this box or paste them from a list. Just make sure each student name is on a new line. On the next page, you can review the students' names and correct any mistakes. You can swap the order of first and last names by clicking here. Check the list one last time and click Next. If the students already have an existing account, you'll see that on the next page, their account details have been added to the list. If it's the first time a student has been added to the site, a new account will be created for them. If you try to add a student whose name is similar to someone already on the site, you'll be prompted to check their name. Select a student from the list if a match has been found, or select Create a new student if not. Click Save and the students will be added to the class. A unique login code will be generated for any student who is new to the site. Make sure you give them this code the first time they log in. You can revisit these codes by hovering over your name, selecting Classes, clicking on the name of the class, and then selecting Codes from the toolbar on the left. If your classes change, for example, a student joins or leaves, you can make these changes easily. Go to Your Classes, click on the name of the class, and then click Add or Remove Students. To remove students, tick the box next to their name. To add new students, type their names into the boxes, or use the copy-paste function as before. Click Next and use the drop-down menu to find student matches, just as you did when you first set up the class. Now all your students are in the right class. If you have any more questions about adding students to classes, you can call us on this number or email schools@thisislanguage.com. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter.